The Indo-EU workshop on SARASWATI 2.0 brought together experts from Central University of Rajasthan Ajmer and Malaviya National Institute of Technology Jaipur, or MNIT, to address wastewater treatment and resource recovery in India. Held on March 23, 2023 at the Central University of Rajasthan Ajmer Auditorium, the workshop welcomed over 40 participants from various backgrounds. The workshop featured presentations from principal investigators, faculty members, research scholars, and students, providing valuable insights and fostering knowledge sharing. Students who showcased exceptional work were recognized and rewarded for their contributions during the workshop. The workshop stimulated awareness and highlighted the importance of research in the field of wastewater management, particularly in the areas of energy and resource recovery. Participants had the opportunity to observe and appreciate the functioning of Pilot 3, gaining practical insights into the technologies being implemented. Overall, the workshop was a resounding success, creating awareness and paving the way for further research in wastewater management. Stay tuned for more updates on SARASWATI 2.0 as we continue our journey towards sustainable wastewater treatment and resource recovery. Thank you for watching.